But
top 3-4 brands.
aren't these जो legacy brands and L'Oreal's and all those brands, aren't they good enough for the existing hair industry as a whole? Obviously, they have been in the business for long, and they can't target a very customized market also. So on these parameters, how effective and how potent they are, let's say, for the Indian market?
The top few brands that you're talking about, right?
Yes, yes.
So I feel they're doing a great job. L'Oreal has a major market. If you talk about brands from a price point above 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
उस टाइम की बात है. अब तो लॉरियल अब वो स्पेस में भी आने लग गया जहाँ पे दे हैव प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ द रेंज 200 250 आई थिंक. Yeah, they do have that also. Because
so the affordable luxury kind of a thing.
Yeah. But they were actually a luxury product. The professional ranges are mostly the luxury ones, right? That's what you'll find in the salons. And they have captured the market really well, I would say. They're doing a great job. And the way the stylists, convinces you, typically, आज की डेट में मैं भी अगर मुझे knowledge नहीं होती, मैं salon में जाऊंगी, I'll believe what the salon stylist is telling me because they have been also taught that this is how your hair is, and if your hair is frizzy, that means it is damaged. You need to use L'Oreal or any other brand, whatever they have. You need to use these products to fix your hair. So that ways I really admire the way they have marketed. So these are all international brands. L'Oreal देखा जाए तो is an international brand.
Right.
So I feel international brands per se have done a great job at marketing. Indians अभी वहाँ तक पहुँचे नहीं है, and Indians सीख रहे हैं.
हाँ, वही मैं पूछना भी चाहता था कि we don't have a Indian brand जो भी global brand बन गया हो in the hair and skin category. So what is to be done or what is missing? Any marketing play or the product level पे कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा brands को that makes a brand acceptable at a global level?
Yeah, that's a very valid question, Anurag. I was actually few days back also going through a couple of. I was actually trying to think of किस तरीके से मैं अपना ad बना सकती हूँ for Truth and Hair. And I was going through some of those ads that have been very famous. आपको कौन से ads याद हैं जो emotionally touch करे हैं, दिल को छुए? जैसे there was this ad from Dhara, which is a very popular है ना, popular ad है कितना. That is one Indian brand that really did well. Otherwise, apart from a couple of Indian brands, most of the brands are from the P&Gs and the Unilevers. They have done a great job in marketing. I think they know how to really sell and touch those areas of those consumers, as in emotionally touch those points.
So it's only I guess the marketing play ही है सिर्फ, या we can work on a product level also?
Yes, very, very good. I was coming there as well, Anurag. तो बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने कि ये marketing ही नहीं है. Of course, the quality really plays a major role. Efficacy of the products.
Exactly.
That is very important. And today's time, I feel some of those people are coming up with a lot of awareness they are bringing for the consumers, like Food Farmer. There's this person I follow. He's doing a great job of educating people that this is what you should eat and check the label properly. What you're
They have started a campaign also, Label Padhega India. It's quite interesting to see.
Yes, very nice. So इस तरीके से अब awareness आ रही है, but अभी तक नहीं थी और अभी भी काफी लोगों को नहीं है. So that's where I think the market, US market is quite advanced and they are well aware of what should go in their products. So that's where India is still catching up. That's where I think in the hair care industry also, I would like to come to the hair care industry now. That similarly for the food industry and all, hair care industry has also been, trying to catch up with the West. Abhi West has already come to a level where they are well aware of what harmful ingredients there are in hair care products and they should stay away from, like some of the carcinogenic ingredients. The carcinogenic ingredients will obviously if used at a longer period will cause cancer. So ये awareness अब धीरे धीरे इंडिया में आ रही है.
हाँ भाई.
जैसे फूड में आ गई है, अभी काफी अवेयर लोग हो गए हैं, तो आई एम श्योर हेयर केयर एंड स्किन केयर में भी ये अवेयरनेस आ गई है.
You also have a marketplace for skin and hair products, I suppose.
That's just for hair care.
That is just for hair care,
Yes,
and we call it NYNM.
NYNM.
So इतना fancy name क्यों इसका? मतलब क्या reason behind this?
So NYNM stands for Naturally You and Me. Actually सबसे पहले इसका हमने नाम रखा था Naturally You and Me in 2018.
Okay.
It's a marketplace for curly hair products, and I feel very proud about it that we were the first marketplace for the curly community. उस time पे कोई curly hair brands नहीं थे इंडिया में.
Okay.
And we started importing international brands to our platform. So it's an inventory-led business where we purchase the inventory from these brands and bring it to India and keep it on our marketplace and sell it from there. And people loved it.
अच्छा. That time people were that aware कि for different hair we need different products. मतलब वो confusing नहीं हो गया already market के लिए?
So I'll tell you. So it's a curly community-driven. It's a marketplace for curly community. So I feel very fortunate that the curly community that I was in also, and we were all learning at that time कि अच्छा ये curly बालों को ऐसे रखा
There was a community that
there was
time
a community
for
absolutely,
the curly hair?
absolutely. There was a
Okay.
community. There were a couple of people that I know who started that community, and they were also
So what
learning,
was the
and we were
agenda
all-
during
So
that?
the agenda was that okay हमारे बाल curly है, अब समझ में आ गया है, understanding from the West में already available थे products for
Okay.
curly hair, awareness है, but India में नहीं थी. So that's when even I stumbled upon a couple of I did research and stumbled upon blogs and everything, and that's when I realized कि okay my hair is not what I think they are curly and they need to be handled in such a way. 2018 was when NYNM was born. We just started off with 2 international brands. We imported them and हमने सोचा चलो देखते हैं ना. Also I was working at that time with IBM. So I thought कि let's see how this goes. I took a risk and
And it paid off.
and yeah, it really did well. So 6 months down the line, it was doing super well. In fact, I wasn't getting time to even, give time to both the things. Like I was working, सुबह से 9 बजे से 6 बजे तक I used to work. And then in the evening, I used to come back home, pack orders, and then send them
Process,
through,
ship,
process
and
them,
everything.
all of that. And we had a very small inventory. We started from home. घर पे ही छोटा सा area dedicate कर दिया था उसके लिए. So that's how we built. And so now it's a good, I think about 40,000 customers we have. It's a close-knit curly community. And yeah, they come to our website mostly for international products.
And about the name we were talking about.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I forgot that.
How this name?
Thanks for
Because
bringing-
I believe कि नाम थोड़ा सा simple और easy to remember and easy to say होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Isn't it कि थोड़ा सा difficult या है to remember
तो आप
and
क्या बुलाना चाहते हो उसे?
so it's a
Nine
fancy
बुला
name
सकते हो.
but with this same like NYNM to remember and to recall थोड़ा सा tricky लगता है.
Yes, I agree.
I mean, this is my personal opinion. Obviously, you must be having
so
some
earlier,
market
yeah.
research.
So earlier it was naturallyyouandme.com. So naturallyyouandme.com, people used to find it very difficult to type in. That
long enough.
it's a very long name. So some of the people told us कि बहुत लंबा है. क्या नाम है? What's your website? Sorry, we didn't get you. That's when we realized, okay, we need to do some changes here, and then we abbreviated it to nynm.in. And many people after that also were confused. What is it called? Nynm? Is it called Ninim? या क्या बोले
Anything
हम?
to simplify it.
Yeah. So we were open about it. Whatever you want to call it, you can call it the way you want to.
Sure.
So then अपने आप से ही ये बन गया कि NYNM people started calling it because I think people knew it's naturally you and me. So I understand that new people are not aware that what it was.
Just for the new and the first time customers who are coming to the platform. But I guess एक बार आ जाते हैं, trust बन जाता है तो they have this name in the back of the mind.
Right. So we are open to whatever they want to